Hello, how are you? I thought I would respond to your video. I see that you don't get on a whole lot, okay? But anyway, I am a fellow Christian lady, and I was looking for, better quality videos. I don't know how many people shall see this video, but I am not a hater of the haters, okay? But what I want to say, and maybe your opinion about this too, I have unsubscribed to some of my people that I had subscribed to before because when I have to listen to the F word all the time, I really prefer to choose not to listen to that word. If it's going to be something that they will use a lot in their videos, I don't want to open up a video and be, blasted with that. I don't hate the people that are using the bad language. I just, it's an area that I am weak at, and I don't feel I should soak my mind into it, so much. I was wondering if you thought that was okay, to feel that way. I'm not trying to, be a hater of that person. I love that person, but I don't love the language, and I don't want to have to watch a video where the F word is every few seconds, and I don't want that to be grounded into my brain, So, out of respect, I don't mean to hurt anybody by unsubscribing, but if your videos are full of, the bad language, I'm afraid I'm going to have to block that because I love you, don't get me wrong, and God loves you, but I just don't, want to hear the F word used, like just every other word, or every second, and that's just too much. And I would prefer not to have that, I mean, it's getting unavoidable sometimes when you go places, but if I have a choice, and I feel I have the right to choose, if I want to listen to an offensive video, I feel like I have that choice, I feel like I have the right to choose, and I just don't want to, I mean, perhaps I should, say something to the video person, but I don't know how that's gonna go over, Probably not too well. I suppose I should pray for them, but I just don't think that I should have to listen to it. Now, what is your opinion on it? I just don't want to open up a video if it's going to be full of vulgarities. Just spilling out, I just don't find that's what I want to hear, so much. I love them, and you know what? That person, if they were thirsty or they were hungry or they needed a hug and love, I would do all that for that person, no matter what bad language they had, but I don't feel that I should have to choose to listen to it if I don't have to. Okay. Anyway, it's nice to meet you, and I would like to hear back from you, your opinion about what I said. I hope that doesn't make me a hater. I hope that still is okay, that I could choose not to have to, hear that word. It's like you're not going to choose to watch porn if you're a Christian. You love the people that are making the porn, but you don't sit there and, watch their new porn video. You wouldn't go out to buy it and watch it, and I just choose not to watch the videos that are full of the vulgarities, I think that makes perfect sense. Do you not agree? But let me know if you don't. I would like to know your opinion. Thank you. Bye.